If you're somebody who's unfortunately lost his job, or you had to take a pay cut because of the existing economic scenario, or you're simply somebody who's trying to identify and establish an additional source of income for yourself, this could be a video for you to watch till the end. Today, we're going to discuss one such business model which can help you generate earnings without you having to leave your home, by having to invest a bit of money and somewhat of your time. This business model is called dropshipping. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is similar to retail sales, except that unlike a retail model where you have to invest a lot of money in renting a place, setting up a place, you do not need to do the same. Neither do you need to block a lot of capital in purchasing goods in anticipation of sale. So what do you need in order to start a dropshipping business model? You need an online store, and such an online store can be bought from platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, AliDropship, and so on. The next step that you need to do is to identify the products and the suppliers for these products. And this can be done from dropship platforms like AliDropship, SaleWho, Wholesale2B, and many such other platforms. The third thing that you need is that you need a bit of money. This money is required so that you can promote your store online on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and many others. So how does the dropshipping model work? Well, once you've purchased an online store, you've identified the products, and you've started advertising your store on various social media platforms, customers who are searching for products online get to see your ad. And once they get to see your ad, they get attracted to your store. Once inside the store, they view your products and then they decide to purchase your product. The moment they purchase your product, your online store sends you a notification. The moment you receive the notification, you in turn pay your supplier who's listed with your dropshipping platform the money for this particular product. And with that, you also provide the supplier the details of the customer. So what this supplier does is he, on your behalf, packages the product and directly delivers the product to the customer without you having to interfere in the process. So one of the biggest advantages of the dropship model is that you do not have to get yourself involved in the process of running around to procure a product, then packaging the product, and then taking the pain of shipping the product to the customer. So there are some obvious questions that you may have regarding dropshipping. And the first is, do you need a license to start this dropshipping business? The answer is no. You do not immediately need to have a license when you start the dropshipping business. But once you start selling your products regularly and frequently, it is extremely important that you register yourself with the authorities where you're running your business from. The second question that arises is, can you sell anywhere in the world? And the answer is yes, you can sell anywhere in the world. But for US and Canada, I would suggest that you tie up with a dropshipper who has a warehouse in US and Canada itself. That has two advantages. One is you don't have to get into the taxation hassles that may be involved. And the second is the amount of time taken to ship the product within US will be much lesser than the time that you may take to ship the product from China, India, Vietnam, or wherever. The third important question that many may have is, why would anybody want to buy from your online store and not from a dropshipping platform like AliDropship or DHgate? I will share with you 3 reasons why people would want to buy from your store. And the first reason is, not everybody knows of dropshipping platforms like DHgate, SaleWho, Wholesale2B, and so on. The second reason is, many of these dropshipping platforms have products and suppliers from China, and many people who shop online perceive Chinese products to be of cheap and of inferior quality. But the fact is, China does produce good quality goods at reasonable prices. So if you can brand your store well, and if you're successful in identifying suppliers who supply good quality products, you have a very high chance of your store to succeed. And the third reason is, when customers land on websites which have thousands of suppliers and millions of products, it is very difficult for them to identify and search for the product that they are looking for. So if you can build a store where you can house products which are niche, relevant, and associated, then customers are more likely to come and shop on your store than to go to a dropshipping platform which has millions of products and billions of suppliers. The fourth and the most important question is, does the dropshipping industry have potential enough for you to invest in it? Well, let me share with you some statistics of the e-commerce industry. Worldwide, there are 7.8 billion people, of which only 4.8 billion people use the internet. And you will be surprised that only 1.9 billion people have shopped online in the last year. The e-commerce worldwide sale was estimated at $3.53 trillion in the year 2019. In the next 3 years, this figure is set to go up to $6.5 trillion. So just imagine, guys, if we could just get 0.00001% share of this entire global revenue, I think for many of us, our lives would be sorted. So the obvious question is, will everybody who starts this dropshipping business become an online millionaire? The answer is no. Of the many factors which are critical to the dropship business model, there are 3 which are very critical. The first is branding and promoting your store the correct way. The second is identifying the products which have a high sales potential. And the third is sourcing suppliers who are reliable and who are credible. So if you get these 3 factors correct, there's a high probability of you having a successful dropshipping business model in hand. Thank you and see you in the next video.